Hello superstars, you're welcome to La Prince Wealth Academy. In this short video, I'm going to teach you how to draw support and resistance correctly. Most of us we have still having issues with drawing support and resistance. So this video is for those of you who are still having a very having difficult time in drawing support and resistance. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to know your time frame you're using. For instance, I'm going to be using a daily time frame. I'll break it down to 4 hours time frame, and then maybe perhaps 1 hour and even 15 minutes time frame. So what is support and resistance? First of all, support and resistance are places price has bounced back and price has touched and bounced back repeatedly. So let me show you what I mean by that. Support and resistance are places where price has touched and bounced back repeatedly. For instance, here is a resistance. All right. So once you identify this key support and resistance level, you look for trade opportunities only when price is approaching those support and resistance levels. For instance, this is a level you'll be looking for a buy, a sell rather. So that's one level. I'm going to show you another support and resistance level. It's better you use higher time frame to identify those levels. So this is another key support and resistance level here, this place here, or let me put the downside. Okay, here, this down here, this is a key level. This down is called support. The resistance is the up here, while the support is down here. So market is actually approaching the support level. So what are you going to be doing? You look for buy opportunities when price gets to this level. All right, I'm going to come with another video to show you how to buy, but get at the back of your mind that when price get to these levels, price will react. How do I know? Look at the past. In the past, this is June 4, 2025, price got there and it went massively up. Again, there was a time price got here and price went to the upside. That is July 15, price went up. So this place is a key support and resistance level. So here is a support level. So now that you've identified it with higher time frame like daily time frame, you want to go back to also 4 hours time frame to identify those levels with even the lower time frame. So again, I'm going to use my cursor. Here is also another support level. All right, here is another support level. Now support and resistance, support can also turn to resistance. What do I mean? If you look at this market here, there was a time it was the resistance here, but price broke out of that resistance, went up, it came back to test this place. All right, that's when you came to test this place, it means that here has become a support. So support can turn to resistance, and resistance can also turn to support. So here is also another support and resistance level. So let's get to another. Let's see how we can identify another level of support and resistance. So if I put my cursor here, here is also another support level, resistance level rather. Though it's minor, but it's also another level. So it's not a strong support and resistance level. It's a minor resistance level. All right. So these are the places that you want to look for market buy or sell opportunity. It means when price get to this level, you look for sell opportunities. When price get to this support level, you look for buy opportunities. So that is another level. So let's go back to 1 hour time frame to also see these key levels with 1 hour time frame. You can see if you scroll down, you see that that place has been holding. So the places I have drawn so far are the key support and resistance level. So you are going to be trading only when price gets to this your resistance support levels. That doesn't mean that when immediately price touch here, you just place a buy trade. I'm going to come with videos on how to trade it, but for now, let's first of all learn how to identify this support and resistance level. I started with daily time frame. You can even start with weekly time frame, even monthly time frame, especially if you're trading forex. All right. So this is how you draw support and resistance level. You go to a higher time frame and you see this level clearly with this higher time frame, and then you break it down to lower time frame and you quickly identify. You can I'm doing it using a smartphone because most people trade with their smartphone, but you can do it with your laptop as well. It's the same thing. So it means that you are going to be waiting patiently for price to approach these levels for buy opportunities, and then price to approach price if it is a buy, if the market is a downtrend, a price is approaching here, price may likely bounce here to pull back. If price breaks out of this support level, is a way you have to wait for a retest. I'm going to come with a video on how to trade breakout and retest, but for now, this video is just to show you how to draw support and resistance level. I hope you learned something from this video. Join the La Prince World Academy. If you have not joined the academy, go to my bio, join the Telegram community, create an account with Deriv to trade indices. What I'm trading right now is indices, volatility indices. So guys, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.